Hello friends, welcome to our channel. We are going to learn how to build up counting pumpkins for Halloween. Let's start. We have 1 pumpkin. Now we need to make groups of 2. So we will take our second pumpkin and we will put it beside the first one to make a group of 2. Now we have 3 pumpkins. We will take the next pumpkin and we will add it to our group. Now we have 4 pumpkins in all. Now we will make groups of 5. Take the next pumpkin and add it to our group. Now we have 5 pumpkins. Take the next pumpkin and add it to our group. Now we have 6 pumpkins. Let's continue. Take the next pumpkin and add it to our group. Now we have 7 pumpkins. Take the next pumpkin and add it to our group. Now we have 8 pumpkins. Take the next pumpkin and add it to our group. Now we have 9 pumpkins. And the last one, take the last pumpkin and add it to our group. Now we have 10 pumpkins. Now let's count the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We made 10 groups of 10, so we have 10 groups in all. Friends, this is how we build up counting pumpkins for Halloween. We can also make different patterns with these pumpkins like this or like this. This is a simple pattern. Now let's do some math with these pumpkins. How many pumpkins do we have in all? That's right, 10. If I take away 2 pumpkins from here, how many pumpkins will be left? That's right, 8. If I take away 5 pumpkins from here, how many pumpkins will be left? That's right, 5. If I take away 9 pumpkins from here, how many pumpkins will be left? That's right, 1. Friends, this is how we can do some basic math with these pumpkins. We can also use these pumpkins for sorting activity. We can sort these pumpkins by their color, size, and shape. Friends, these are some fun activities that we can do with these pumpkins. We will learn more about pumpkins in our next video. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.